When my father was 79 years old, he said something to me that I had never heard before. He said, I finally understand how to love you. And it was the first time in my life that he ever said that. Now, the strange thing is that when people hear that, they sometimes think it must feel sad or that it must feel like something came too late. But that's not how it felt to me. It felt honest. Because when I think about it, I realize something. Most of us don't really understand how to love each other when we're young. We think we do, but we're still learning. We're still figuring out who we are. We misunderstand each other, we carry expectations, and we react to things that hurt us. And sometimes years passes like that. Not because people don't care, but because they simply don't know how to express it. And as time moves on, something slowly begins to change. You begin to see each other more clearly. You begin to understand where someone came from. You start noticing things you once missed: the effort, the quiet loyalty, the things someone did that you only recognize much later. And maybe that's what my father meant. Maybe it took him a lifetime to understand how to show something that was always there. And when he said it to me at 79, something shifted. Because it made me realize that sometimes understanding each other doesn't happen quickly. Sometimes it takes years and sometimes decades. And in this case, almost a lifetime. And maybe the real lesson isn't that something arrived late. Maybe the real lesson is that it arrived honestly. And maybe the real question isn't whether something comes too late. Maybe the question is simply this: do we wake up in time to say the things that matter?